Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Welcome to Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
And if you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So today we'll be talking about Nobility token that has come to Google Play. Let me just share my screen. Every time I have to find the screen. Here we go, guys. Here we go. So Nobility token is right now on Google Play, the GameFi latest flagship, the token NBL. Just launched its first official app on the Google Play Store. The app is currently allows users to track their NBL portfolio in real time, as well as offering limited NFT tracking, BUSD rewards tracking, and live market charts. Now, the developers, of course, promise a future updates that will expand its functionality, mixed reality integration, and a built-in swap system. In the statement, they said that they were excited to announce the roll of their first app. And with a lot of testing, the app is solid with the initial reviews of encouragement and listing on Google Play. In its latest step of the roadmap to demonstrate Nobility token is proceeding at speed. Kyle McDougall, CEO of Nobility token. So the tracker app is a go. It's the next stage of the Nobility token to-do list, and they have launched their first NFT collections. But the 4444 Night Team tokens offer more than just custom digital artwork in the Nobility token metaverse. These NFTs play an important role in the project's play-to-earn ecosystem. Now, the NFT sales will also fund the construction of the NBL's game world in Decentraland and Sandbox metaverse. Very interesting there. So let's let the games begin. Once the tournament zone up and running, the play-to-earn function of Nobility token can start in the NBL arena. NFT owners will battle each other, and the winner takes all. Player versus player combat. The winners will gain rank and rank up through the different factions, while defeated knights will suffer NFT burn. So you can join the quest in anticipation of the NFT launch. The team has opened its whitelist, and there's limited number of guaranteed places up for grab. But either way, registering your interest now will significantly improve chance of securing a place on the coveted Nobility token NFT whitelist. Now, meanwhile, interested parties can also check out the free app on Google Play Store right now, where the features will have real-time portfolio tracking, real-time OpenSea, Ethereum, NFT tracking, BUSD reward tracking, live market update, links, information, multiple wallet address that are supported. And there are plans, guys, for augmented reality integration, added support NFT networks in the tracker, full crypto market data, portfolio tracking for all networks, and a built-in swap that will be coming on. So it seems like they are taking some of the best ideas and putting it into this. So let's check it out. Let's do a bit of the tokenomics. Right now it's less than a cent. This is on the Binance Smart Chain with a max supply of about 100 billion. For 200,000 tokens NBL, you have to pay maybe about $80. Over, of course, the 1 year chart, this was somewhat launched on the 27th of September last year. Had a nice bull run, and of course, with the market backdrop, things started to come back and normalize. So it might be a good opportunity if you feel that this is something that you want to get into. Of course, right now they're not listed on any exchanges, so only place you can do this is via Pancake Swap. All-time low, again, less than a cent. All-time high, less than a cent, guys. Okay, so that's so much for the tokenomics. Let's see, their current wallet holders is about 11,000 as we speak. Most of them, maybe top 10, holds about 1% of the tokens. So this is some of the frequently asked questions. I'm not gonna talk much about liquidity pools. I think you guys know what LP is. Of course, if you need to know what LP is, you can either check out the website or drop us a comment in the section. We will actually cover this, but I would like to talk a bit about exchanges. So they have various plans to list exchanges for adoption. So that's great in the pipeline, but they do not have the exact dates, right? Marketing plan, of course, that's always important. The light paper, I'll cover it shortly. They also have buybacks. So, of course, as their revenue comes in, and from their products, they will also look at buybacks, and from the buybacks, they will also be from the revenue that they generate, they will also inject back into the liquidity pool. Now, for retail investors, of course, you will start receiving reflection after you hold 200,000 NBL, and I've covered that here, right? So 200,000 is about $80, right? And of course, there's 11% tax that applies to the buy and sell. Of course, they didn't say where that goes. It might goes to a so-called treasury. So let's see. And you are get paid. You start to get paid, right? In terms of BUSD reflection. So it's currently now on the BEP20. Yeah, the core team look like a bunch of nice people. So the CEO here, you have the CTO, CMO, business development advisor, and developer. So I kind of like this, where we can put a face, a KYC to the token, and just gives a sense of trust and certainty. But of course, what would be great is actually to go and actually check out their LinkedIn profile, right? So the LinkedIn profile will just share with you this guy. Look, they just started sometime in July, launched the token. 7 months. He was from esports, investment LLC, University of Cincinnati, right? Educated, his education. Also interested in Gary Vaynerchuk, so maybe that
Wow.
entrepreneurship, and Mark Cuban. So great to actually check out their profile. And let me just close this off. So roadmaps, right? So Gen to 22, of course, Q1 they will be looking at the blockchain. Then after they move to tokens, they will release their white paper, and then it will go to a rinse and repeat iteration, mostly on the certain improvements on their tokenomics, the blockchain, all the way. And then I think sometime in July to September, Q3 of this year, we will have the beta, first play to earn. So of course, it looks like a very nice mixture of augmented reality, gamification, player versus player. And I would like to see how the gameplay will be like, right? So this will run all the way. Nobility Esports will come out. There's some business development. They will look into partnerships, also work on mass adoption. Actually, quite a great roadmap, guys. I mean, I really like this. And you can even see that for the Knights, this is for the tokens. For the Noble Knights, there's NFT minting. They will have implementation. Phase 3 they will be looking at expansion into the metaverse. And of course, Merlin's Purge. This is weekly tournaments that they will have, and of course merchandising and events. So great stuff coming up, and requires the next step. Of course, they're going to aim for 50K Discord members, right? So of course now wallet holders is about 11,000. So this is what they are intending to do. This is NBL. If you actually want to know how to purchase it, this is a tokenomics breakdown, right? So the buy and sell or transfer, of course, the 7% goes to go back to the holders, right? 2% gets injected into the liquidity pool, and 2% gets allocated for use of wallet. Of course, to qualify, you need a minimum of 200,000. So again, it's a great time to just get into, because the price are okay at this point of time, in our opinion. Again, not financial advice, guys. So 100 billion supply, initial burn, of course, 40.3. This is how they manage the supply, the price action, and also having liquidity. So right now on the phone, I'm not too sure. I think maybe all the games will be done on the phone, and I don't think you can maybe play it on the mobile, right? So let's see. This is the reflection calculator. 200 tokens held. This is what you'll be looking at. Daily 3 cents, weekly 21 cents, and $10 per year. So of course that is for every $80 you put $1,000,000. $80, that's about 800 US. Let's try that. What's happening here? 3. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. So it's about 50 bucks a year. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay. I mean, I
For
really
every
like
1,000, is it?
1 million. That's
Okay.
$800 US. If you hold 1 million worth of tokens. So they have all connected. This is their white paper. Nobility aims to solve problem with the current limitation of esports gaming industry by innovating in the industry of using blockchain technology combined with the advantages of decentralized finance to create a fair, balanced, sustainable model for all market participants. So citing the global gaming industry, a multi-billion dollar revenue stream, the Notability token will offer as a scalable solution to be adopted globally. So of course, on the Binance chain network, transactions are not that expensive. So they have the LP lock, they have the hash, tokenomics. We have just covered that. Contract has an array of token holders split proportionally. There's also a contract to withdraw dividends, right? And automatically auto claims, right? Automatically claims that based on the dividends. FAQ, I think we have covered that on their side. And of course, they have certain, sales restrictions and certain warnings, lack of regulations, capital loss, volatility with any investments, especially in the crypto space, price swings, and you got to be clear on the risk and also the buyer behavior. So let's check it out on the buyer behavior. So looking at the DEX right now, you can see quite a lot of people are actually buying more than selling. But of course, we had a price dip, across all tokens, and looks promising. It looks promising. Maybe if you believe in this, the direction and mission on where they are going, I think it might be something that you could hold a bag of maybe, I don't know, 200,000 as minimum, right? So that's all I have today on Nobility. Let us know in the comment section what you think about this project, and if anything else that we have not covered, to let us know in the comments below. So I'm going to hand over to Manish.
Yeah.
So while Manish sets up the next segment, join us daily live on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, 11 p.m. Singapore time and 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time if you're based in the US. And if you like money in crypto, make sure to smash the subscribe button. Manish, take it away.
Yeah, guys. So let's talk about the most hyped NFT project that will be releasing soon. And these are the NFT I think have a best chance to perform well in the near future. So these are the token. These are the NFTs. The four NFTs I'm going to cover today, and I will show you what is their community status, how it look like, and when they'll be releasing, and some more information about it, and how you can go ahead and how you can buy it. So invisible friend, that's the first NFT. It's, you can see that there is a invisible characters and animations with different attires and different costumes. The guy is running. It's really a very creative artwork. Invisible friend NFT collections features 5,000 animated NFT created by animator and illustrator Marcus Mogson. Later, I will show you how to buy this and what is the price value as well. So, based on some of the sneak peek the team shared on a Twitter, the artwork looks simple and eye-catching. No wonder every other NFT enthusiast wants to get their hands on and seeking animated NFTs. Of course, and acclaimed animators like Magnuson working on the character add to the hype. Okay, so he has around 1088 188,000 Instagram followers. If you see his Instagram handle, you will come to know that his creativity is in the next level. His entire pages with this invisible characters, NFTs, and creative artworks. So yeah, he has a great following in his Instagram page and has sold several NFT before. A notable one among these is investing Ghost Friend Man. So let's check out this website. I have collected certain information about this invisible friend informations. Let's go through their Twitter handles and see what's the community they have it as of now. You can see it's almost around 2,700 and 278.4k followers. And look at the guys, the page looks so clean, the projects look so promising, and look at the creativity, guys. So definitely somebody, we mostly we are also very interested on such kind of projects where you have a lots of community building. And look at their website, official website, guys. So yeah, from here you can join their Discord group and see their announcements. Sometimes they offer a white listings where you can share your wallet address and grab certain offers to buy it. And how you can buy this? Of course, go to OpenSea Marketplace and you can type the invisible friend here. And sorry, I think I did something wrong. And see here the collections are there, starting from uh, it's starting from 0.3. Then you have a various prices also. There are certain NFTs which is 8 ETH also, but these are some NFTs which looks very promising, and we are going to buy this and invest on these NFTs as well. As of now, the price also not so expensive. I think some of the collection we can own it. Okay, so number 2, I have Hype Beast. Okay, so Hype Beast is also one of the interesting project which I think we should consider on our NFT collections. For nearly 3 months now, the hype surrounding Hype Beast NFTs has reached a fever pitch, and it almost a time to mint the popular 3D ape. I think you would have seen this in your Instagram. If you are interested in it, NFT, this 3D looks so cool, so damn cool, and so crazy that everyone interested to buy it and everyone interested to own it. So, as mentioned in a mm, previous invisible one, this is also a 3D meta ready NFT. Are crazy in early 2022. You could urge the hype was one of the first block in October. They have published their release in this month in Q1 2022. So let's check the out their website, how it looks like, and also check out their Twitter handles, how they are doing it now. So, looking at their community is almost around 253.5k followers, which is great. You can join their Discord group and look out their announcement and part of their communities. There are lots of interesting informations. You might get it through the Discord channel. And let's check out their website. Also, quite dynamic, guys. Look at that. 8k next generations high fashion hips. So wow. So these are the crazy NFTs which we should at least add it to our collections. So these the number 2 was Hype Ape. Now the third one is Interface. This is also yet to release now, and I think it's coming. I'm so sorry about that. Let me go to their Twitter handle because their official website is yet to be launched. As per my research, the website is not out yet. Even the Discord group also, they're still working on it. They are very early in this project, but this also looks very promising. I'm keeping eyes on this project, and probably upcoming days we might buy this. So as of now, the Discord, there is no Discord, and their website, let's check out their website also. There is Discord which is coming soon. Follow us on Twitter. That's the two information is there, but definitely there is a good team behind it. Probably once this is launched, we will go through their roadmap and the team details. And last but not the least, the another one is Testybone. Testybone also Discord based on the invite. And let's check out their Twitter handles, how it looks like, and what is the community. So you can see here 84.6k followers for this Tasty Bone NFTs, and the website is tastybone.xyz. All right, they have their Instagram page, they have their Twitter page, but the Discord is, I think, based on the invite only. So only a person who has joined the Discord group will be able to invite you. And once we can go in, we can find more information about these NFTs. So these four NFTs, which I am keeping eyes, which we are keeping eyes, and probably in upcoming days we'll be investing some Ethereum here, and I'll let you know how this is performing, and how what are the profit we are going to earn it from this NFTs. So this for that's all for today about the NFTs. Let's move on to the next section.
Thanks, Manish. Yeah, great article, great read on that. So let's see what's happening over the market side of things. Extreme fear still normalizing across the 20s. So we are just up a notch as we continue every day. So hang in there, guys. Of course, today looks a bit green, so we will just keep bouncing between that. Not much movement in the crypto market, but of course, projects are still going on, and it's our job in Root Zones to find you the best tokens for trading and for investments, right? So we have 16,000 cryptos, 450 exchanges, slightly down by 1.9 trillion. Of course, trading volume also still remains at about the 80 billion mark. And of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum takes about 60% of the market share. So top three coins as trending is Luna, Gaming, Shiba, and Web3. Now Bitcoin, of course, in the last 24 hours is up by 2.05. Ethereum up by 0.66, BNB up by 1.50, Cardano down by 1.22, Solana up by 1.45, XRP up by 0.12, Terra Luna up by 6.39, Polkadot up by 0.48. Looking at the charts, we always keep eye on Bitcoin. This is one of the longest time that is ever been down and stayed down for quite some time, and we have yet to see it channeling for a few more days because this is still a short period in the new channel bouncing between 39,000 and 42,000. The last we had was close to, let me just grab this. This was close to about 3 months. It's about 3 months, right? So right now, this is looks like it's going to be one of the longest bear for now, and we'll see how it actually change over a period of time. So still certain patterns have not revealed itself. There should be an uptrend, and then slightly a bit of a down, and we might have the full cycle that has happened during December 2020, right? So you can see the kind of pattern that reoccurs. Of course, if you're new to this channel, do join us on YouTube, and most of the channels we are there. Remember that this is more for educational purpose and not for financial advice. We have over 500 videos on interviews, how to, crypto trends, tokenomics, and in our Telegram group, we have great conversations on money and crypto that you need to know. So check out our Twitter also, where not only we post our live, but we cover a lot of great articles for you to read to find out what's happening in the market, which is also important. And from the link above, if you click this link, you will find us almost everywhere, right? So we have the blog, Telegram group, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. So with that, I'm going to hand over back to Manish for the tweet of the day. Manish, take it away.
Yeah. So for the tweet post today, crypto.com has posted the weekly NFT update. OpenSea breaks a daily sale volume record at 261 million. So this is some crazy guys challenge. OpenSea transact over $1 billion in 1 week. So with this, you can imagine how hot the market of NFT is nowadays. And also the first football league is enter in NFT world. So these are the couple of details and update from the NFT side. So that gives a glimpse that how hot the NFT market is nowadays. So yeah, that's all for today, and see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah, see you tomorrow,
Till
guys.
then,
Same time,
take
same
care.
channel, live. great to see you here on the channel, and I'll be see you in our Telegram group. So with that, we'll see you tomorrow, guys. Take care.
Take care, guys.
Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?